Welcome back to the channel. My name's Adil and today we are doing an upgrade on a Mercedes GLE 63S. Vehicle is absolutely stunning. The client loves the car in terms of the way it drives, doesn't want to change the car at all. However, one thing that since he's bought the car, just really wasn't a fan of, and that is this part of the car. The rest of the car has an incredible green paintwork. I believe it's a custom finish. Looks absolutely incredible. However, this looks really, really nasty and cheap. There's nothing else on the car in terms of that exterior bodywork that has that on there. This plastic just doesn't suit the car. So what we're going to be upgrading this vehicle with is getting rid of that, making the car exactly how our client wants it, and getting rid of that and putting on the Mansory lower diffuser. There we have it, the Mansory body kit is on, and just look how good this rear diffuser looks. It's just absolutely incredible. Big transformation, and absolutely loving the carbon on the car now. So the fitment of this is no easy task. It does take a while to do. So part of the reason of that is because you've got to relocate your parking sensors that go along that bottom bit, as well as relocating a lot of the electrics that are actually inside that bumper to actually allow it to all work with this new diffuser. We've also added in this brake light here, so as soon as you hit the brake, you actually get the light down here, and you've got a couple of different options. We can program this to work exactly with the brake light like it is now, and that just works on and off really nicely. And then also you do have the option to have it flashing like a Formula 1 car. It looks absolutely incredible, and that's just down to personal preference. But this kit looks absolutely incredible, really does set the car off, and it gets rid of all that cheap look that was down at the back of the car. So if you're interested in upgrading your car with some styling or body kits, let us know. Get in contact with us. We've got a whole section on our website designated to certain brands that we use generally, but if you also find a kit that you want to install or have installed on your vehicle and looking to have it professionally done, get in contact with us. All the details is in the description below. But thank you once again for watching. I'll see you on the next upgrade.